If feed formulation confuses you, this simple method can solve it in less than 2 minutes. It is called the Pearson square method. Welcome to Farm and Feed Academy, where we make animal production simple and practical. Today I will show you how to calculate feed formulation easily using just a square. What is Pearson square? The Pearson square method is a simple way to mix two ingredients to achieve a desired protein level. It is mostly used for balancing crude protein in feed formulation. Instead of guessing, you calculate accurately. To use this method, you need only 3 things. 1. The protein level you want. 2. The protein level of ingredient A. 3. The protein level of ingredient B. That's all. Let's take a simple example. You want to produce feed with 20% crude protein. You have maize, 10% protein, soybean meal, 45% protein. Now let's solve it. Step 1, draw a square. Step 2, write the desired protein level in the center, 20%. Write maize on the left side, 10%. Write soybean meal on the right side, 45%. Step 3, subtract diagonally. 45 minus 20 equals 25. 20 minus 10 equals 10. And after subtraction, write the answers on opposite corners of the square. Your ratio becomes maize to 25 parts, soybean meal to 10 parts, total equals 35 parts. Step 4, now convert to percentage. Maize equals 25 divided by 35 times 100 is approximately 71%. Soybean equals 10 divided by 35 times 100 is approximately 29%. So that way, in mixing 100 kilograms of feed containing 20% protein, you have 71 kilograms of maize and 29 kilograms of soybean meal. Now let's make it more practical. What if you already have some ingredients fixed in your feed? Let's say you want to produce 100 kilograms of feed with 20% protein. But you already added fixed ingredients like pre-mix to 5%, wheat bran to 15%. That means fixed ingredients equals 20%, so we have 80% of the feed remaining. Now we adjust our calculation. We still want 20% protein overall, but now we calculate protein only for the remaining 80%. Since fixed ingredients don't contribute much protein, we assume they contribute very little. So we calculate protein for the remaining portion. New target protein becomes 20% times 100 divided by 80 equals 25%. So now, we use Pearson square to achieve 25% protein for the remaining mix. Now, apply Pearson square again. Use the same ingredients, maize to 10%, soybean meal to 45%, target to 25%. Now subtract diagonally. 45 minus 25 equals 20. 25 minus 10 equals 15. Ratio, maize to 20, soybean to 15. Total equals 35 parts. Now convert to percentage of the remaining 80%. Maize equals 20 divided by 35 times 80 is approximately 45.7%. Soybean equals 15 divided by 35 times 80 is approximately 34.3%. Now add fixed ingredients. Premix 5%, wheat bran 15%. Final feed. Maize 45.7%, soybean 34.3%, wheat bran 15%, premix 5%. Total equals 100%. This is how you stop guessing and go straight into full professional mode. So why is this important? 1. This is how real farmers formulate feed. 2. You save cost on feed. 3. You feed accurately. In real life, you always have fixed ingredients, and now you know how to adjust correctly. Also note that you could use other ingredients like fish meal, cassava peel, palm kernel cake, ground nut cake, or any other ingredients you have in mind. The ingredient you decide to use should be based on the kind of animal you are formulating for. And the target protein should be based on the age of the livestock you are formulating the feed for. So it is good to know the individual protein contribution of every ingredient you are to use so you don't mix blindly. Always calculate carefully, always mix properly, and always observe your birds. Now you can formulate feed like a professional. Subscribe to this channel for more animal production tips and guidelines. This is Farm and Feed Academy, animal production made easy.